You gotta kind of finagle this. You get that down in there and work it in the rocks. I kind of twist that around. Got a signal over here. 75. It's like a clad one. Ooh, it's a wheat. It looks like a wheat back. You grab it. I can't see what it is. It didn't look like a mercury dime. Ooh, that's not a mercury dime. That's either a barber or a seated. Look at the reef on the back. It says 1 dime. That green goop on it. Pile. I see somebody dressed in black. It's the man in black. Got a 91 there. She's a hot ticket. Ooh. That's right there. They say this scoop is useless here. Come down and feel around. That's a clad. It's kind of lots of targets in here, so you gotta definitely wear headphones, but you gotta go slow. I like to knock the first couple of rocks. You guys see a coin underneath there. See? That one? That's a newer penny. Not what we want. Wouldn't you know it? The target underneath that. That's what's great about these beaches, is everything's clustered. It's all clustered in. Ooh, now that's promising. Bring you around here. Got something down there. Reel her up, Jim. Ooh, that's a crusty one, huh? Must be a wheat or an Indian. Can't tell right now. It's a wheat. That's got a slick back to it. Gotta dig in these, because when that sand gets pulled out of those rocks, let's see, bring you down. Ah, there we go, folks. That's a mercury dime. All right. Ooh, ooh, ooh! What? That's why they fall between the rocks. You got to be careful. Right on top there. Well, the slick Rick, I think it's a wheat bag. Yeah, the rock came out a little bit down there. Water. No silver quarters. What's going on? What's going on? Here she is. What the hell is that? Clad. Well, we are at the shale pile, and she got gnawed on. She got gnawed on. Ooh. Ooh, you got a hot ticket there. Not silver. Alright, onwards we go. Probably see it. Walk over this way. Yeah, we're good. We're back to the rock here. It's good. Should get some silvers out of here. I got the 2 silvers down to the north of me. Wet sand. There was some sand pulled off, surprisingly. Right on the surface again. I don't think that's a silver. Clad dime. Another clad. Claddy. Ooh, what's this? Look at that. That piece of old pottery. It's a cool looking design. Maybe it washed down from Oak Island. Just up the street. Up that away. Beautiful out here this morning. Big waves still. Saw some surfers. Sand level dropped at Jeunesse. Maybe we're going to get the ticket. Maybe we're going to get the ride rolling here. Next week it looks good. It looks like a storm offshore with northeast winds. Maybe it'll carve out some more sand. Got a ways to go on the wet sand on this beach. And turn you on. Good looking smudge down there, straight up on the line. We got it. We got it, folks. We'll walk it over to an area. Sometimes I like to walk back. You're gonna have to plow these rocks up. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's nice out today. It's cold. Gotta be silver. Oh! Damn, I just can't find a silver quarter. One of these days. One of these days. What's this? That's probably a state quarter. Yeah. Huh. I don't know. Yeah, it's a state quarter, I think. Got a 78. Look at this one. Probably a Wheatie. Yep. Boy, that's got some green. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch Joe Biden by his toe. There we go. Just a penny. Right there.
Over here?
Hear it? Probably use your pinpointer.
A penny.
Penny? Was it a plaid or regular or wheat or what? What is it? That's a regular, but it's copper one. We're over there.
Bulldozer? Where do you see a bulldozer?
Down there.
Oh.
See
yes,
him?
I do see a bulldozer.
I wonder if he's coming over here. I wonder what he's up to. We may have to go over once he leaves. At least it's nice out, huh?
Right?
Usually after these nor'easters you get a real cold, pulls the Arctic air down.
Somebody drove up here in a truck.
Probably. A lot of surfers.
Uh-oh.
What? Susan's in the big leagues now. She's gonna have all the competition. Metal detectors all the way down.
Show everybody the holes they're doing.
Well, the sand level dropped, but our cuts filled in, unfortunately. But now you're going to have to wait a week or two because the cuts have filled in, but they will reform. You just got to be patient. You flattened it down, but there's nothing, it's not deep enough and there's no cuts now. 10's open. If you come down here, don't go through 9, it's closed. You'll have to walk all the way back. Not that I don't need the exercise, according to Susan. Look at that. That's a surfer's wet dream out there. There's really not a big northwest wind either right now, knocking them down. There's a little bit, but it's beautiful out today though, man.
It is.
We're gonna give it a shot down here. This is Straws Point over here.
Straws Point?
Yeah. There's a famous surfing spot.
Oh yeah, I do see some surfers out there.
Yep. Yeah, it's right around this bend.
What the heck is
Yeah,
this
you ever
thing?
seen this wacko, man? Look at this. Yeah. It's a
Oh my God.
It's a Christmas mobile. Only in New England. No, only in Maine. Maine's got the real funny
Oh
people.
my goodness.
Probably should have went up to York today. Got a little breach here. There was some breaches, but not terrible. Yeah, there they are. There's a whole bunch in here.
There's a dozen of them out there.
There's a whole bunch down here. Yeah, this is there goes a guy in. This is a famous spot.
These guys are gonna get ready.
Yep. Get him lubed up, gentlemen. All right. Yeah, it's really packed down here. Look at all the cars.
Yeah.
This is a surfing beach, Bass Beach, Straws Point they call it.
Surfers are all out and about.
Oh, you got some sand over the wall here, but
A little bit of gravel. Wow.
he's drinking a beer. You better be careful down here. The cops see that. Yeah, they're gonna push this wall back up. It got compromised a little bit.
Yeah.
But we didn't have that, you know, astronomical 1.0. That's when it knocks the whole wall down. They shut the road down. So if there was a road closed, it wasn't for long. The sand level dropped a couple feet. That rock is back out at least. But it's never on the storm. You gotta wait a few weeks, maybe a month, for that cut to form. Because the beach will start compensating and rob sand from one end, go to the other. Susan must have got something. Best thing to do is just come in with your feet and go like this. And just spread it out. Or you got a pin up. There it is right there. See it? Watch out.
Yep. It's green. It's a penny.
Ooh, some of these can be Indians. This is an old beach here. Let's see. Can't tell. Ooh, that's a crusty one.
Yeah.
It's a wheat penny at least. See it? See the little feather on the side?
No.
It's a wheatie.
Is it a blob?
What? No, but it's a nice rock. Maybe you should check for the signal first. Never assume. You assume beach hunting, you're gonna end up on the wrong side of the assume. You gotta work on your pinpointing, girl. I'm gonna crack the whip. I'm gonna be bossy today. Another one.
Stop
Jesus.
being bossy.
It's Penny Villa here all of a sudden. That's a wheat. That's a wheat penny, no? Yep, that's a wheatie. What are you getting?
80. There it is right there. It's green. It's a greenie. He is real green.
Ooh. Another penny. Lots of pennies today, but they're all green. Well, at least those rocks came out a little bit. I didn't even check those coins over there. I don't know.
I think those are all just regular dimes.
Yeah. There's a lot of coins though. But we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
$2.
$2, 8 quarters.
$1 in dimes.
$1 in dimes. A whole bunch of pennies.
2 nickels.
Oh, you get 2 nickels. You got this piece. I don't know. I don't think it's gold, but that's funny. It kept its color like that. Weird. Maybe we could check that over. Got a 1920 Canadian penny. 35 wheat, 41 wheat, 3 other wheats. I got a 1915 Barber dime. 1 dime on the back. It's really nice. I got 2 Mercury silver dimes from the 1940s. Oh, you got a surfboard clip.
Yep.
That's what those are. But yeah, I don't know about that. It's weird that it would keep that gold color. Usually if it's junk, it would peel off. But I don't know. Piece of old pottery. Hampton Beach was terrible. Salisbury was terrible. I didn't even stay. We left. They closed off Beach Access 9, so you got to walk around to the other access point.
Yeah, because it's missing some stairs.
But we'll be back. Some sand moved, so it was a pretty good hunt.
Not bad.
Yep. So stay tuned. I think there'll be some cuts pretty soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.
Thanks.